Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwa ba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell on so for more news.
And in fact, we've seen videos upon videos people less privileged people and under no circumstance between acquires every any scholarship. Some may know because if you were London, if you were United States, can't get it in another through the free SHS. Back so fight it here. In fact, also on the bar or how do you call it? Pan. Now they are quite yet kaya you. Ubi be digger. Now they are no answer soon. Now they are cost. This is the future this man had for you. Now, all the mamo Ataya. At least ne baby or tone her body. Mon suggest the man say what the fan the ban back no man Ataya no. Mon suggest the mama hama say Ataya and what the bema gun and mobran I say ya baby or no tone her no dear on fan and ban back no Ataya no. How can you be that wicked? Nansenya Kemu don't domani Mahama. Your Excellency, former president. Oh, be catch it, say, oh, the Oba much. Ye be woo, until Ubesi much their mind. Ghana for say we don't want or see young quache chenkora, young fat electoral commission, young good hoofing, young coma cron for any cronon coso, so that our money will be near to make the certain government at them. I mean, which political party be a sebi or what the right state of mind anybody else are doing. And the sad things we talk against, people can say they are the same, they are never the same. MPP and NDC can never under any circumstance be the same. And please do not allow that comment in your any of your sayings. Say MPP and NDC will do kadaya. Oh boy, back way bad, back way very back way treacherous. Now we prefer the bad to the treacherous one. Okay, now young Koso. Samobekaya 2020, Abra John Dramani Mahama, former president of the Republic, His Excellency, Elusu elections. 2020, no. Someone can say he lost the elections over so many reasons. And Ntia Eman Elusu election. Or Ntia says he will lose, but whatever the reason may have been, the final point is he lost the election, which he will lose again. That we are very sure and very optimistic about. Okase, the polling agents were illiterate. That's why he lost the election. Say, asem bedawa fasem ne baba asem say also we illiterate. How does he mean? What did he mean? What does he intend to communicate to the mass? Okay, now your far illiterate comment now here say the polling agents were illiterate. And who said okay, say if you realize say majority of the Ghanaian youth are illiterate. No, because any there, let us educate them by introducing free SHS. Now fighting against this free SHS now. That means you want them to remain illiterate. That's one point. Now, same person can say the polling agents were illiterate and didn't want free SHS for them. He's now saying say they are now educated, so he will use them again. This time he's going to give them Okomomo Ataya. And the very people Mahama deemed useless and threw away, the MPP came and gave them hope, gave them education. Now Mahama is coming back saying, these people are now educated, I'll use them, but I'll give them Ataya. You see, this is why we always stand and fight against this man's second coming, which it is a future impossible things. Mahama winning election is a future impossible things. It can never happen even in his house. Yekoto abanu wa Mahama fi Lordina ebe ye electoral commissioner krana. To Mahama be lose election. He will lose the election, and in fact he has lost it from home. Even in the NDC, he has lost it. He has lost it, and a clear indication. A clear indication said 2024. He has no message. He has lost the election because to date, Mahama has not given us any information. Now, we are babu now. Why been so better about Ama former President John Dramani Mahama, NDC as a whole, and one workers. Let us reason. Say, because me by member education, many of us, many Ghanaian youth, over 500,000 students, youth every year muntimin call SS. Yet we had a privilege, we had a chance. I don't be doing ya near my muntimin school fees in. But I remember very well in JSS. We were sitting in a class with brilliant people who were more brilliant than we are, who were more intelligent, smart than we were, but they couldn't enter into secondary school because of money. And the Nanado did free SHS by. Then I reflect back, say, so if this free SHS policy existed, that means this colleague, this brother, could have made it. And in fact, we've seen videos upon videos people less privileged people and under no circumstance beat me acquire every year any scholarship. Some may know if you were London, if you were United States, can't get it in another through the free SHS. But so fight it here. In fact, also on the Oba how do you call it? Pan. Now they are quite kaya yo. Ubi be diga. Now they are no answer soon. Now they are cost to him. This is the future this man had for you. Now, all be mamo Ataya. At least ne baby or tone her body. Mon suggest the man say what the on fan the ban back no man Ataya no. Mon suggest the mama Hama say Ataya and what the bema Ghana mobuna I say ya, baby or no tone abano dear, on fan and banner back on no Ataya no. How can you be that wicked? Nansenya Kemu, don't Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, former president, be catcher say, the Oba much. Ye be woo until Ubesi much their mind. Ghana for say we don't want it. Casabia and Papa be a toss tre. Okobaya say Ataya. And this is a power message I'll say what they bag Ghana of winning so and vote against the MPP policy of Modiaba. Anything. So we are president, ultimate car allowances. Now we increase we there. First lady allowances. Why increasing? Or no, to her 1 year free by virtue of the fact that ni kuni wunti. What by your first lady? Who it me increasing allowances? Na emabuna omunsuya dear. Abe boa mine. Nurses, teachers. Was modia de metwem. Enti obi etimi kire ade 3 years. Mahama say I can only pay 3 months. Like I always say, in the absence of good, bad is okay. No, I